Hey tubers, we got 2009 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.7 with the complaint of not starting sometimes. And I saw it myself. What happens is this: you turn the key, and instead of turning the ignition on, it says key not identified, and it would do it. It would do it till what I did. I tapped on the key a little bit, just hoping maybe there's something inside the key. Like, I don't know. Sometimes it helps, you know. So since then, it don't do it no more. Since I did what I did, the key is not showing bad anymore. It shows good every time. There's a little play in the ignition switch, but that is not likely the problem. And yeah, it does it now every time it starts. Okay, whether it's a coincidence, the fact that I tapped on it and it started working, or not, it's a judgment call. But I see what I see. I tell you what I see. Since I tapped on the key, it doesn't show the problem anymore. Okay, at the same time, I get the code. I identify here. That's from the wireless module, which is the ignition switch on this vehicle. Okay, so all in all, okay, I also want to show you the check engine, the codes from the engine computer, because the check engine light was on. This is WCM. This was WCM. Wireless module. Okay, go back to engine. I went too far. This is a JP forces. Yeah, I went too far. This is what we got from the engine computer. Speed control, correlation. This is something to do with the cruise control, switches maybe. Evap leak, misfire 4, fuel injector 4, evap large leak. So let's clear it. Let's see what happens. I remind you, the check engine light was not an issue here. This is something I'm just looking up to see what the situation is, but rather it was non-started. That's what the complaint was. It doesn't start and it shows no key at the same time. Okay, speed control. The only code that is left there, speed control. I'm not really correlation. I'm not really interested in that, since it doesn't affect whether it starts or not. Okay, that's the code. Yeah. Okay, so the answer we were looking for is probably a bad key. The remote works. We'll check wireless again. Wireless module. Okay. The key, the remote works fine. Open, close. The other way. Open. So and WCM codes with the key in my hand, stored. Okay. So I'm gonna turn the ignition on with the key, clear the codes from WCM, where I am right now, and see what comes back. Okay, what comes back is tire pressure, tire pressure, tire pressure. Okay, no code for a bad key no more. I call it a job. It needs a key and it needs to be programmed. I'm gonna see if I got a key like that. I sometimes just have them, but this needs to be a new key. A used key will not program into this vehicle. It's got to be a brand new key, and it's also good to have a PIN number. But I'm hoping to be able. I hope to be able to draw it from the system. So the next video will be programming the key, okay, for the same vehicle if I find the key. Thank you. I appreciate your time looking at this, and subscribe, and please tell your friends. Thank you.